tool to change the world. With my profound regards and immense honor, I'd like to extend my wishes to respected principal ma'am, teachers, my lovely friends, and my juniors to a very good morning.
I wholeheartedly welcome you all to this prestigious morning assembly gathering.
I, Aryan Sharma,
And I, Shalini Patel from class 12 Maths, and we are thrilled to be your host for today's morning assembly activity.
some thoughts are so powerful that they can inspire and even change our thinking pattern. So, for a powerful and positive thought, I would like to call Akshita.
Good morning, everyone. Thought for the day is don't place your mistakes on your head. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as a platform to view your horizons. I repeat my thought. Don't take your mistakes on your head. Their weight may crush you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as a platform to view your horizons. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshita.
Staying updated with current event is crucial for us. Now let's have Shri to share some news with us.
Morning one and all present here. Today's news headlines are international news. Syria signs $800 million agreement with UAE DP World to expand ports and logistic infrastructure, a major step in economic rebuilding. China labels it the Dalai Lama succession issue a thorn in India's ties. Now let's take a look at some national news. Varsha Deshpande wins the 2025 UN Population Award. A monsoon session of Parliament will run from July 21 to August 21, focusing on AI and educational bills. Moving on, here is some sports news. Indian women team clinches first ever T20I series win versus England. East Bengal develops grassroots football across Bengal and Northeast regions. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
A student who knows a new word will become more smarter and wiser than rest of us. So, for sharing a new word, I would like to call Krishna. Morning, everyone. The word of the day is corrigible. Its spelling is CORRIGIBLE. It means a capability of being corrected. Sentence: a corrigible student improved quickly. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Krishna.
Mistakes are proof that you are trying, and every mistake teaches you something valuable. So don't be afraid to make mistakes, but be afraid of not learning from them. So now I would like to call Molly to share her views with us.
Good morning, everyone. So today I am here to share an important message related to our mistakes and our success. Don't let your mistakes hold you back. Instead, push you forward. A real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. A famous quote by Thomas Edison when one of the reporters asked him that, "Sir, you failed 1,000 times while inventing Apple." So he replied, "No, I didn't fail 1,000 times. Instead, I discovered 1,000 ways which wouldn't work. And one of the most common examples are us. Students, many students develop a mentality that they can't get good marks if they fail once or get less marks at once. But this is wrong. Instead of feeling like that, if they will analyze their mistake and learn from it and improve it and work on it, then they will see themselves as a successful person and get more success in the life. At the last, I want to give you all a challenge. So, my challenge for you all is that from now onwards, whenever you fail, don't say that I failed. Instead of that, say that I learned. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Molly.
To add a touch of creativity to our morning, I would like to call another Shalini for reciting a poem.
Good morning, everyone. The poem is Spark of Curiosity. In physics, waves and forces strong. In maths, where the numbers sing their song. In chemistry's lab, where the color bloom, dreams take flight beyond the classroom. Equation guides us through a night. Concept spark a future bright. PCM's mind, do not fear the test. With every try, give it your best. In your quest to learn and see, you will shape tomorrow's mystery. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Shalini.
Always remember, mistakes are not the end of the road. They are actually stepping stones on the path to success.
Let's carry this mindset throughout the day and every day. Thank you and have a nice day.